How to change watching mode in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this Me icon. Simply tap on this Me icon. Now, here on the right top, tap on Settings. Now, we're in this Settings interface. So, this is the place where you can customize and have different options. So, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Watching Mode. Tap on Watching Mode, and here basically there are two types, standard and fluent. So it's according to your choice and preference which you want to select. So here I'm tapping on fluent. Now it has been enabled. So if you go back, the settings has been changed and the video settings has been changed too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.